So the CIA just declassified some documentation about something called the Gateway Experience. This is described as the ability to transcend time and space by synchronizing your left and right hemispheres. This is my cymatic machine. It plays different pre-programmed frequencies through this handheld speaker. And this is my menu of frequencies that I can play to target different vibrations. Here are all the different frequencies I can play for the brain. Since the Gateway Experience is about synchronizing the left and right brain hemispheres, I found the vibration for strengthening the fibers that connect these parts. That's this one right here, corpus callosum, connecting fibers. To receive the benefits of cymatic therapy, all you have to do is ingest the sound. And to do that, you just have to listen. So I enter the code 182 on my menu. And the combination of frequencies is now playing on my handheld speaker. This vibration is to strengthen the corpus callosum, the connecting fibers between your left and right brain. Now all you have to do is tune in. After about 3 minutes, your body begins to resonate to the frequencies it's hearing because you are made of sound waves, and we begin to vibrate to the sound waves that we are hearing. So pay attention, be very intentional with what you are listening to.